There are two main methods to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows, using Anaconda or pip. We'll cover both methods in the following sections. 1. Installing Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda on Windows. Anaconda is a free, open-source Python distribution that includes many popular scientific computing and data science packages, including Jupyter Notebook. Step 1. Download Anaconda. Visit the Anaconda distribution page and download the latest version for Windows. Step 2. Run the Anaconda installer. Run the downloaded executable file to start installing. Follow the on-screen instructions and accept the default settings. Step 3. Launch Jupyter Notebook. Once the installation is complete, launch Anaconda Navigator from the Start menu. Click on the Jupyter Notebook icon to launch the application. Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so we can grow together. 2. Jupyter Notebook install. Using pip on Windows. If you prefer not to use Conda, you can install Jupyter Notebook using pip package manager for Python. Step 1. Install Python programming language. Download and install the latest version of Python from the official website, https:/www.python.org/download/. Make sure to check the option Add Python to Path during the installation. Step 2. Install Jupyter Notebook. Open the command prompt and run the following command using pip install to install Jupyter Notebook. Pip install Jupyter. Step 3. Start Jupyter Notebook. Type the following command in the command prompt to launch Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Following the few mentioned steps closely will definitely you install Jupyter Notebook successfully. In our next episode, we will discuss how to install Jupyter Notebook on Mac. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.